If you are wondering if Motorola Edge 70 Pro is going to receive Android 17 update, then the answer is yes. We will get Android 17 update on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. Unfortunately, as I am recording this video, there is no official date when exactly we can expect Android 17 to be released on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. But of course, one thing is certain, and that is that we get 3 major Android updates throughout the support of Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and since we are starting with Android 16, this means that Android 17 is pretty much guaranteed, and sooner or later we should be able to get an update. If you go to System Updates, then of course you can check if you have a new Android update waiting for you. This includes, of course, the new version of Android. And hopefully, of course, you can get it as soon as possible. But like I said, for me, it's hard to tell when exactly we can expect it. And but surely, if you're watching this video in the future, of course, there is a chance that it is coming. Maybe it is already released. It's very hard to tell for me. So leave a like and subscribe.